Hello students, we are going to start numerical 2 on surface integration. So numerical is given vector z is equal to 10 e to the power minus 2z rho arrow plus az. Then determine total flux of z vector out of the entire surface of cylinder, and the cylinder is defined as, in the cylinder rho is varying from 0 to 1, z is varying from 0 to 1, and phi is varying from 0 to 2 pi. So for such cylinder, height is varying from 0 to 1, radius is varying from 0 to 1, and the angle phi for the cylinder varies from 0 to 2 pi. So we have to calculate total flux of this vector. So whenever we have to calculate the flux, then we calculate the surface integration. And the cylinder is closed surface because it has a certain volume. So we have to calculate integration g vector dot ds vector. So there are three surfaces in the cylinder. One is top surface, one is bottom surface, and one is curved surface. So we have to calculate the three integrations. First integration for top surface, second integration for the bottom surface, and third integration for the curved surface. Let me start for the top surface. If we talk about the top surface, suppose this is a cylindrical shape, then z is equal to 0 is a bottom circle. Then z is equal to 1 will be the top circle. So this surface is a top surface, and for the top surface it is a circular surface. So this surface is a circular surface. So for the top surface we can say z is equal to 1, which is a constant, but for the top surface rho and phi are varying. So how to write the ds vector for this surface? So ds vector, if rho is varying, then we will write here d rho. If phi is varying, then we will write here rho d phi. And the direction is az vector. Az vector is perpendicular out to the surface. So this vector is az vector. So z vector, this is completely the z vector. This is here z vector dot, this is here ds vector. So we will dot product these two vectors. When we will dot product these two vectors, then the answer is integration rho limit is 0 to 1 and phi limit is from 0 to 2 pi. 10 e to the power minus 2z into rho d phi. Arrow dot az will be 0, but az dot az will be equal to 1 from here. 10 is constant and e to the power minus 2 is constant because z is 1. Z is a constant here. For the top surface, z is 1, which is constant here. So we will write here rho square by 2, and the limit is from 0 to 1 and phi from 0 to 2 pi. Then 10 e to the power minus 2 by 2, and limit is from 0 to 1. So this answer is 1. 1 square minus 0 square. And the integration of d phi is phi, and the limit is from 0 to 2 pi. So here is 2 pi. So answer is 10 pi e to the power minus 2. This is the answer for the first top surface. Now we go for the second surface. Second surface is the bottom surface. Now for the bottom surface, z is equal to 0, which is a constant. Then ds vector is rho d phi, and the direction will be minus az because here ds vector will go downward. Here in this case ds vector will go downward here, and the downward direction is minus of az vector. So here we will put here minus of az vector. Then integration z vector dot ds vector, it is equal to tan e की power minus of 2z rho arrow plus az. This vector is z vector and this vector is ds vector, and then we will dot product these two vectors. When we will dot product these two vectors, then tan e की power minus 2z and rho d phi will present, and minus sign of this will come in this way. So z is 0 here because on the bottom surface z is equal to 0. So minus 10, and the integration of rho is from 0 to 1, and the integration of phi d phi will be from 0 to 2 pi. So here answer is minus 10 into rho, the integration of rho is square by 2, and when we put the limit then it will be 1 by 2 into the integration of d phi is phi, and the limit is from 2 pi 0 to 2 pi, then this answer is 2 pi, and then 2 and 2 will cancel, and the answer is minus of 10 pi. So for the bottom surface the answer is 10 pi. This answer is for bottom surface. Similarly, we can calculate for the curved surface. Curved surface is your third surface. So this is our third surface. Cylinder contains three surfaces, top, bottom and curved surface. For the top and bottom we calculated. For the curved surface we have to calculate. For the curved surface, rho is equal to 1, which is constant. Then ds vector will be equal to rho d phi dz, because rho is constant, so variation is in phi, so phi variation is rho d phi, and the z variation is dz, and the direction is arrow. So here z vector dot ds vector, it will be equal to, this is completely z vector which is given, and this is ds vector. So when we will dot product it, so it will come as tan e की power minus 2z rho square d phi dz, but rho is constant because for the curved surface rho is equal to 1. So for the curved surface the value of rho is equal to 1, which is constant. So tan we can take outside, and then the limit of z is from 0 to 1. So e to the power minus of 2z dz, it will be integrated from 0 to 1, and the integration of d phi is phi, and the limit is from 0 to 2 pi. So tan e to the power minus 2z is integrated, and the answer is e to the power minus 2z divided by minus 2, and the d phi is integrated, so this answer is 2 pi. We will solve it. Then 10 into 2 pi, it is 20 pi. This minus sign, so minus sign is here, and 2 we can take outside, so this is 2. E to the power minus 2 minus e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is 1. So this answer is 10 pi 1 minus e to the power minus 2. This is our answer for the third surface. This is answer for third surface, which is the curved surface. So we will add all these answers. So first answer for the top surface is 10 pi e to the power minus of 2. Second surface is minus of 10 pi. This is for the bottom surface. This is for the top surface. And this is for the bottom surface. And this answer is for the curved surface. So when we add, then all these terms cancels each other, and our answer is 0. Thank you, students.